Good morning everyone. I am Urja Trivedi studying in 11th Commerce. Today I am here to express my views on the topic impact of social media on body image and self-esteem. Social media has become a part of everyone's routine, and it is important for us to pause and reflect on how these platforms are reshaping our thoughts, making us doubt ourselves. Let us first talk about the unrealistic beauty standards we have created. Social media acts like a mirror. It reflects images of perfection that are often different from the reality. These platforms are rife with images promoting unattainable beauty standards. It is like walking through a never-ending gallery where each picture tells you that you are not good enough unless you match the idealized standards. The likes on the reels and pictures others post makes you insecure. You might keep on comparing yourself with them. This disparity can always make you feel that you are coming up short. Getting likes on social media are like the new policies of validation in the digital age. The digital validation impacts our self-esteem in a really bad manner. It acts like a feedback loop. The more likes you get, the better you feel, the happier you are. So, how can we overcome this? We need to understand that what we see on social media is not always true. The reality might be a lot different. We also need to be mindful of the accounts we are following. Follow accounts which inspire you and ignore the ones which make you insecure. Social media has become such an important part of our lives that we forget real life connections. Investing time in face-to-face interaction can provide us genuine support which is way better than what digital likes offer. Lastly, it is important to understand the fact that no human on earth is perfect. Everybody has flaws, so it is okay not to be okay. As we get into the complexions of social media, it is essential to understand that likes are not the report card of perfection. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.